Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 2 minutes or less. Today we'll be covering how to password protect pages on your WordPress website so that only users with the password can view the page's content. To get started, log into the back end of your site and create or locate the page you want to password protect. I already have a page ready for us to work on today, so I'll click Edit beneath the page's title. On the editing page, scroll down a little while keeping an eye on the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a box that says Publish, which includes visibility options. Clicking Edit next to this option opens a drop-down menu where you can choose to make the page public, meaning it will be seen by anyone with the link, private, which hides the page from anybody who isn't logged into your WordPress dashboard, even if they have the link, or password protected. The password protected option allows people to see the page if they have the URL, but requires them to input a password before they can see the page's content. When you select password protected from the visibility menu, you'll be prompted to create the password or phrase that will protect the page. Click OK to save your visibility changes, and click Update to apply those changes to the page. To make sure your password is in place and working as expected, click the permalink or View Page option at the top of your screen and give it a try. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tidbits in the future, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below.